Just like that. Perfect. Hi, welcome to Kids Kitchen. I'm Cassie from BBC Good Food and this is Marley.
Hi.
In this 6-part series, we'll be teaching you and your children 6 essential skills for learning how to cook. Today we're learning knife skills and we're going to make some fruit kebabs. Okay Marley, first job is to secure your chopping board. So can you see it's a little bit slippery?
Yes.
What we're going to do is get a damp cloth and just pop it underneath so that the chopping board doesn't slide around. Next up, we're going to chop the bananas. So, one for me and one for you. Can you peel the banana?
Yes.
Oh, it's tricky. Wow, you did it much quicker than me.
Finish.
Well done. Now, pop your banana on the chopping board. Get your knife. We're using a small serrated knife today.
Serrated?
Yes, so that means it's got small little bumps or teeth all the way along the line of the knife, which makes it sharp.
Okay.
So holding the banana in one hand and your knife in your strongest hand, we're just going to cut it into discs. So let's just push the banana over to one side of the chopping board, make some space. There you go. Now we're going to chop our strawberries and we're going to chop the leaves off the top first of all. Perfect. And now just chop it in half from the pointy end right through to the top, like that. Good job. Do you want to do another one?
Yes.
So take that. Perfect. So we've chopped our banana and strawberries for our fruit kebabs, and we've also got some grapes and blueberries. So you can thread the fruit onto your skewer in any order you like. You can make a pattern or do it completely random, it's up to you. Just be careful of the pointy end, make sure you don't stab your finger. Keep going until it's nice and full up. Okay, I think that looks good. Should we pop them on the board?
Yeah.
Great job. The fruit skewers look great, Marley. Should we make a dip to go with them?
Yes.
Okay, so we've got some plain yogurt here. Do you want to add a drizzle of maple syrup?
Yeah.
And I'll add a pinch of cinnamon. There you go. Mix that all together. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, and we're done. That looks great, Marley. Should we put it with the skewers?
Yes.
Great. How easy was that?
Very.
Do you think you could do it at home?
Definitely.
So that's how you make fruit kebabs using chopping and knife skills. Let's tuck in. Yummy. Is it good?
Yes.
Can you put all that in your mouth?